Two different methods on how to make elastic bracelets. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Supplies: elastic beads, strong glue, nail glue or super glue, scissors. Cut off a piece of elastic to whatever size you want. Whenever you cut your piece of elastic, recommend stretching it out before putting beads on it. If you don't do this, the bracelet will stretch when you put it on and become bigger than what you wanted. Now add whatever beads you want. Once you are done adding your beads, you are going to tie the elastic. I just make 3 basic knots. Take your glue and add a drop to your knot. Once your glue dries, cut off the excess elastic. And that's one method of how to make elastic beaded bracelets. Supplies: elastic, crimp, beads, scissors, flat nose, pliers, beads. Make your bracelet like how I showed during method 1. Instead of tying a knot, take a crimp bead and put it on one side of the elastic and then take the other side and thread it through. It should look like this. Now pull the elastic until the bracelet is together. Now take your pliers and flatten the crimp bead. Make sure you are pulling the elastic to keep the bracelet as close together as possible. Cut off the excess elastic. And this is the second method on how to make elastic bracelets. A little disclaimer: elastic is a somewhat fragile material, meaning it is likely to break after long-term wear. Be careful with elastic jewelry. I hope this tutorial was helpful for somebody. You are loved.